In the face of escalating climate disruption, the latest El Nino data paints a chilling picture, predicting a temperature rise of 3 degrees Celsius as soon as this year or the next. The effects are manifesting in starkly visible ways, from the disheartening melt of permafrost to the rapid desertification of the Amazon rainforest, once considered Earth's green lung. These dire environmental changes are not just warnings but hard evidence of a looming climate collapse, prompting a call for global reform. The demand for transition to a need-based economy and the abolishment of capitalism has grown increasingly louder as the world wakes up to the reality that our survival necessitates the immediate termination of fossil fuel use. El Nino, a naturally occurring climate pattern associated with warming of the Pacific Ocean, has been amplified to drastic proportions due to anthropogenic global warming. The new data suggests an unprecedented 3 degrees Celsius increase in global temperatures within the coming year or two. 5 degrees Celsius increase has already been crossed, a threshold at which permafrost begins to thaw. This prediction is a cause for alarm. As permafrost melts, it releases trapped methane, a greenhouse gas significantly more potent than carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere, thereby escalating the climate crisis through a detrimental feedback loop. Polar ice sheets are not exempt from this destructive path, as they too have been exhibiting alarming rates of melting. Their demise contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal cities and low-lying countries. However, the ripple effect does not stop there. These melting ice caps disrupt global weather patterns, leading to more extreme weather events, from heat waves to hurricanes. The Amazon rainforest, an ecosystem essential for the planet's climate regulation and home to incredible biodiversity, is teetering on the brink of a complete collapse. Widespread deforestation and climate change are pushing the Amazon towards a point of no return, transforming it into a dry savanna-like state. With the loss of this critical carbon sink, the balance of global carbon cycles is thrown off, exacerbating the climate crisis further. Faced with these compelling realities, the time for systemic change is now. Capitalism, with its relentless pursuit of growth and profit at the expense of the environment, has facilitated an economic system heavily reliant on fossil fuels. This approach is no longer tenable, and its abolition is a crucial step towards a sustainable future. Transitioning to a worldwide need-based economy prioritizes societal and ecological needs over profit. A green economy, focusing on renewable energy and sustainable practices, is the only way forward to mitigate the imminent climate collapse. The world is teetering on the edge of irreversible climate change. The urgency of adopting radical measures such as the abolishment of capitalism, a shift towards a need-based economy, and ending fossil fuel use cannot be stressed enough. If we are to ensure the survival of our planet and future generations, these changes must be embraced and implemented without delay. We must remember that the Earth does not belong to us, we belong to the Earth. Let this understanding guide us as we work towards rectifying our errors and building a sustainable future.